much, Shadow Crafters. How you doing? I know what you're doing out there. Keep up the good work. Today I'm demolding coffin lids. The set came with one coffin and 4 different lids, which is, well, quite annoying. So let's see how they turn out. Yeah. Ugh. Let's see if they fit. Unfortunately, this right here, it gets a bit thick because it's a very thin mold. This is the set that my daughter bought me. I might have to get another set because these don't seem to be working out too well. They still need time. They've been sitting for like 2 days now. It's 2 down. Two to go. Yep, I'm gonna have to keep up with the bubbles. Some seem thicker than the others. Doesn't really fit properly. None of them do. I don't like these molds. You can see how scuffed up they are inside. Well, thank you for watching. More some other time. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe and the bell. And once in a while, buy me a cup of coffee, please. Thank you. Thank you for joining me. Have a good day. Namaste.